Welcome everyone and welcome back to Kucoin listing for Bob. And here's an article from Google, and there we go. So what they're saying is Bob is now available on Kucoin. Supported trading pair is Bob to USDT. Now the deposit opens up and you do have an ERC20, which is Ethereum network as supported network at the moment. And then you also have this one trading from 19th of May, which is actually today, and that's actually quite big. And we saw a pump with the listing here. So this pump, is it actually meaningful or not? Well, let's talk about it, because on the charts it's looking juicy. This is looking pretty good. And I've told you before that you do have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder for Bob. And the thing is that I do expect now that you might be looking at Bob actually, retesting everything and try to move up here. So we do have a possibility that you can actually see from there to there. We're talking about 117% pump to the upside for Bob. Now at the moment, let me tell you one thing. This is a retest happening. I do want to see some few holding of the retest. Now, for example, we need one touch, some few touches here. So I do believe that give it a little bit of some hours, maybe for the next 5 hours, it's going to be actually decided that if this is actually going to hold the retest. We need like 4 to 5 more candles here, and if they start to print out something like this, then you're looking for an amazing technical target out of that inverse head and shoulder that I've been giving you for some few days ever since I started the video of Bob. So that's it for this very quick comment and an update about the Kucoin listing as well. It's a new coin. I don't have too much to talk about. We do have last few data, so I'm just going to keep it simple and clean. And by the way, you know what? If you found this channel, make sure you just follow it, because you might not see it again from your feeds. And that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Love is.